Hi everyone, it's Imtiyaz. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for chicken chili dry. Let's get started. Get 250 grams of chicken breast and cut into small size cubes and transfer to mixing bowl. Add salt, egg, corn flour and mix it well until combine the chicken and let sit aside in chiller for at least 10 minutes. Get a bell pepper red de-seeded and cut into small size. Get a bell pepper yellow cut into small dice, same like red bell pepper. And get a green also of same size. Get a red onion medium size, peel it and then cut into same diamond cuts like small cubes. You can use white onion instead of this. Then chop garlic, press it and chop it. It's fine chop. Get 1 inch of ginger fresh and cut into small chop, fine chop, like sure fine chop. Chilies as you like, cut into chop. Now take it out the chicken marinade and drop into deep fryer one by one and fry little bit at least 1 minute and take it out. Now turn for stir fry. Get a pan, add oil, add ginger chop, garlic chop, chili chop, sauté, stir little bit, add vegetables and stir, continue. Stir continuously for at least 1 minute. Fry the chicken again till crispy. Once become the chicken crispy, transfer to plate. Stir continuously. Then add green chili paste, white vinegar, add salt, add ajinomoto, add pepper, and red chili paste. Then add soy sauce and keep stirring the chicken and toss well until combined. This recipe is easy, loaded with flavor. Now almost done. Sprinkle the spring onion and transfer to plate. It's a delicious and easy to make at home. I hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you for your support and kindness.